great stuff. There's so much. We have the first printed book of English law, the very first. 3 books that are actually kind of competing for that honor, and they don't know which one is really the first. We're happy to say it's ours. It's Littleton's 10 Years is one, but this is an abridgment of statutes, printed in 1481 or 1482. No title page, that was common. Wooden boards. Really beautiful, printed by Latu and MacLinia, these famous early English printers, contemporaries of Caxton. So it's very generously margined, lots of space left, which I don't think is an accident. I think abridgments like this grew out of commonplace books, and they allow you to update it with later, these white spaces, the generous margins and the spaces in the middle are providing space for the owner to add later material from their own practice or their own studies on statutes. But this